Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a video where I recreate one of the face charts from someone on Instagram who I've been following for a long time. The username is Milk1422. I've seen a lot of people redo his face charts into actual makeup looks on their YouTube channels, their Instagram. I wanted to try my hand at that. I did actually recreate this look for a theater production. It was an original show from the theater company that I work with, which is Epic Arts. If I have a picture of it, I will insert it here, but I'm not sure if I actually still have anything. So I'm going to try and do it on my own face. So let's get started. I should use a primer. This is the NYX Honey Do Me Up. I always forget what it's called. It's a serum, skin serum and primer. Take a foundation that's lighter than my normal shade. I managed to find one, and it is the Glamouflage from Hard Candy and Porcelain. It's a little bit lighter than I am, so I'm not going to go totally white face for this, but I'm going to go a little bit lighter. Go under my eyes with the Sephora Bright Future Gel Concealer in Meringue. A couple little areas here. If the camera's picking it up, but my eyes are actually really red, which I'm noticing a lot more with the foundation on. So just wanted to disclaimer, I'm not on anything. It's just I tried to use my contacts not yesterday but the day before, and apparently I'm allergic to the contact solution that I tried to use. So they're currently healing after being destroyed basically. So that's fun and exciting. Yeah, so let's move on to, where do we even start? Now let's do the eyebrows first. Sisters Not Twins, let's go. I don't even know if those eyebrows come from the same family, distant cousins or something. Oh, yeah, just a touch all over everything. Puh. Farther than I was supposed to, but that's okay. It's just an interpretation of this look, so you get what you get. put my eyelashes on and come back and we'll be finished, I think. So, I'll be right back. And this is my finished look for the Milk1422 face chart inspired makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to do. I actually haven't played with a lot of color lately, I feel at least. So this was something fun and different for me. Next week's video is something similar, but very much different. It's a different style. I'm doing a different artist next week. So if you'd like to see that video or any of my upcoming videos for 2018, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon if you'd like to get notified of any of my uploads, and if you'd like to follow me on any of my social media accounts, they're all linked down below. But in the meantime, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up down below as well, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hit the bell notification. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification. Oh, bell notification. This year, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. Make sure to hit the me. If you'd like to see that button. If you'd like to see that button. Oh my god. Bell icon if you'd like to see, if you'd like to be updated. And if you'd like to follow me on any of my social media, they will all be linked down below as well as in the end of the video. I don't know why I say that because I don't link it in the end of the video. There we go. Jesus Christ. Okay.